629. So I've just come in and we've turned to the right. You've got your air conditioner, your keys card to enable the lights, and your light switches. You'll see they're a little bit lower because we're actually staying in an accessibility room, so they sit about hip height. Alright, I'm now using the wide angle camera. So we come in and we've got a full length mirror. It's a nice industrial concrete vibe. We turn around and we've got a blanket, coat hangers, iron, coffee machine, a ironing board, bag holder and safe. Wow, look at that view. You've got a couch with a coffee table, some nice artwork above it there, curtains that actually aren't hiding anything, a lamp, and look at that view of the airport. Two king beds, but you can actually see that they are two singles joint together, and there are two of them in here. Now, when I turn around, we've got a flat screen TV, a sink, bottle of wine there, some snacks, a mini fridge, some glasses, and then a chair to sit at as well. Oh, and you've got another coffee machine plugged in here. I wonder why there's two. Oh, the other one was just a kettle. You got 4 coffee cups, drawer space. They give you a single serve dishwashing liquid sachet or packet with a cloth and a tea towel. So that is really handy. In your mini bar, you've got some Mars bars, Skittles, salted nuts, honey soy chicken chips, wine menu, yum. Big window space. Let's have a look at this. Wow, I don't think you could have got a better room. 629, looking pretty good. So this is where you access the airport, that main big roundabout as you come in. We came in along the side, came around, and then we parked below as we unloaded the bags there in the reception area. You've got the airport, see a Virgin plane over there. Beautiful Adelaide City. You've also got the TV screen here that is on a stand, so it can swing around so that if you are in this end bed, you can also view the TV. As we turn around and make our way back to the front door, you will see that we've got the toilet on the left. So it's got a nice big sliding door. Now the shower space doesn't have a lip, which is fantastic. It's got a seat, and then the shower head itself comes off the wall, and that can be used as a handheld shower tap. You've got a bar there as well. You've got the toilet, towels, and then the sink. There's even 2 water bottles next to the side of the bed as well. There are lots of power points. You've got PowerPoint and 2 USBs. You've got the phone, notepad and pen there as well. More USBs on this side and more PowerPoints, and that I'm going to assume is the same, for every single side of the bed. You've got an additional PowerPoint up the end here, one up there behind the TV. So this is room 629, an accessibility room.